Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk you through how to set date and time on Android. For seeing this, open up your settings. You scroll down to General Management, tap on it, then you can see date and time. Tap on date and time. Turn off automatic date and time if yours is on. Tap on date, set the date you want to use. Tap on time, set the time you want to use, and then you turn off automatic time zone. You choose the time zone you want, the region, so you choose the region, then you go back, and that's it. It's as simple as that. That is how to set date and time on Android. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.